morning students, welcome to today's online class. So students, I hope all of you are preparing properly. So today students we will continue with exercise 2.5. okay, all the activities we have discussed. So let us continue with exercise 2.5. okay, 2.5 number 1 students, they use suitable entities to find the following products. Let us see number 3. So it is like 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. Okay, 3x plus 4 students, 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. So this one we can arrange it this way: 3x plus 4 into 3x plus minus 5. Okay, so this will be like this: square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. So this will be 9x square students. This will be 9x square plus 4 minus 5 into 3x minus 20. So this will be 9x square minus 1. Okay, minus 1 into 3x minus 20. So this will be 9x square minus 3x minus 20. Okay, so 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. So I thought that I would write it this way: 3x and 3x is same here. 3x and 3x is same, and here 4 and here minus 5, isn't it? So I wrote here 3x plus 4 and 3x plus is minus 5. I took in bracket. Okay, because I want to write this in this way: x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Okay, this is the form. I want to use this formula. I want to bring this term. I want to bring this expression in this form, and after that I want to use this formula. Okay, so see here students. So 3x plus 4, 3x plus 4 is here. 3x plus minus 5. So now we can know, you see, x plus a, x plus a, x plus b. See, 3x here also 3x, here also 3x, here also 3x. So x and x is there, and again here a, and this one is b. So x plus a into x plus b. So how will you write? X square. X plus a into x plus b means, so right, first you write x square, isn't it? So x square means 3x whole square plus x square plus a plus b. What is a here? 4. And what is b? Minus 5. A plus b into x. What is the value of x? 3x. And plus ab. ab means 4 into minus 5. Understood? So see, x square. This is x plus a into x plus b. First I will write x square. X square means what? 3x whole square. 3x whole square. Here x means 3x. See, x plus a into x plus b. So x means what? 3x. So x square I wrote 3x whole square plus a plus bx. A means 4, b means minus 5, and x means 3x. And plus ab. A into b, that means 4 into minus 5. So 3x whole square will become 9x square. 4 minus 5 you write 4 minus 5 into 3x, and 4 into minus 5 will become how much? Minus 20. So 9x square you write, and 4 minus 5 is how much students? Minus 1. Minus 1 into 3x will become minus 3x and minus 20. Is it okay? Understood? Next one students, next one more example we will see from number 1, that is number 4 also. Let us see. So y square plus 3 by 2, y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. Isn't it? Y square plus 3 by 2. Okay. Y square plus 3 by 2. Okay, no? Y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2, isn't it? So a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, a plus b into a minus b, students. A plus b into a minus b is equal to what? A square minus b square. So this is a and this is b. Okay, so a plus b into a minus b will become a square minus b square. Okay, so y to the power 4 minus 3 square will become 9 and 2 square will become 4. Okay, students. So a plus b into a minus b, students. A plus b into a minus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. So see, a plus b, y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. So a plus b into a minus b will become a square minus b square. A square means what? Y square whole square. And b square means minus 3 by 2 whole square. So y square whole square 2 into 2 will become y to the power 4, and 3 square is how much? 9. 2 square is, here 3 square will become 9 and 2 square will become 4. Understood? Okay. So just I use this formula, a plus b into a minus b, okay, is equal to a square minus b square. So a plus b, this is a. Complete y square is a here, okay. Complete y square is a and 3 by 2 means b. Understood? And complete y square is a and 3 by 2 means b. So a plus b into a minus b. So it will become a square minus b square. Understood? Let us go to number 2 then. Number 2, number 1. 103 into 107. 103 into 107, okay. 103 into 107. 103 means what? 100 plus 3. 107 means 100 plus 7. So this will be written like this. 100 square plus 3 plus 7 into 100 plus 3 into 7. So 10,000, then 10,000 plus 7 means how much? 10. 10 into 100. 6 7 is 21. So 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 21. 11,000 21. Okay, 10,000 plus 1,000 become 11,000. 11,000 and 21. Okay, students. So students, number 2, number 1, let us see. So evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. That means you have to find the answer. You have to evaluate. That means you have to find the value of this into this. When we multiply this into this, we have to find the product, but without multiplying. Evaluate means you have to find the value. Okay. Evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. That means if you multiply directly, you will not get the marks for this. Okay. Don't multiply directly. So how will we do then, students? So I thought that 103 is there, students. 103, can I write 100 plus 3? Students, 103, can I write 100 plus 3? 107, can I write 100 plus 7? I can write, isn't it? So this is of the form x plus a into x plus b. See? X plus a into x plus b. See? X plus a into x plus b. Isn't it? Students, so 103 I got 100 plus 3 and 107 I got 100 plus 7. So this is x plus a into x plus b. X plus a into x plus b, isn't it? So x plus a into x plus b. What is the formula, students? Once again, x square plus a plus b x plus ab, isn't it? So this is x. Here x means 100. Okay. Here x means 100. So this is x and this is x, and a means 3 and b means 7. Okay. So x square, first I will write x square. So 100 square I wrote, 100 square I wrote, plus a plus b. A plus b, students, so I will write 3 plus 7. A plus b, then after a plus b, what is there? X is there. What is x here? 100. So a plus b into 100. And plus ab. AB means 3 into 7. Isn't it? So students, 100 square means what? 100 square means 100 into 100. 100 into 100. So this will become how much? 10,000. So 100 into 100 is 10,000. I wrote here 10,000. 3 plus 7 is how much? 10. 10 into 100. 3 into 7 is how much? 21. So 10 into 100 is how much? 1,000. So 10,000 plus 1,000 will become 11,000. 11,000 and 21 is the answer. Is it okay? Understood? So let us see. Let us take one more example. Let me means one more sum we will do from this heading only. From number 2, number 3, let us see. 104 into 96. Okay, 104 into 96. 104 into 96. 104 into 96. And here also same, you cannot multiply directly. So what we will do, students? 104 I will write 100 plus 4, and 96 I will write 100 minus 4. Okay, 104 I will write 100 plus 4, 96 I will write 100 minus 4. So a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. 100 square means 10,000 minus 16. So 10,000 minus 16. 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay, students. 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9, 9. The answer is 9, 9, 8, 4. Okay. So students, here you see, here what is the formula that we have used here? Here the formula we are using here is, I saw that 104 is there. Students, 104 I can write 100 plus 4. Can we write? Can we write, students? 104 means in place of 104, can we write 100 plus 4? We can easily write. In place of 96, can we write 100 minus 4? Isn't it? We can easily write. So a plus b into a minus b, or x plus y into x minus y, or a plus b into a minus b. Same only. X plus y into x minus y will become x square minus y square. Isn't it, students? So 100 plus 4, I wrote 100 plus 4, 96 I wrote 100 minus 4. Now you see, x plus y into x minus y. And here 100 is x and 4 is y. So x plus y into x minus y will become x square minus a square. Some of you remember this formula this way. Some of you also remember this formula this way. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Same. Okay, both the formulas, this one and this one, both the formulas are same. X plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Same to same. Okay. So 104 I wrote 100 plus 4, 96 I wrote 100 minus 4. So x plus a, or sorry, x plus y into x minus y, or a plus b into a minus b. Same. Okay. So x plus y, 100 plus 4 into 100 minus 4. X plus y into x minus y will become x square minus y square. So x plus y into x minus y will become x square minus y square. X square means 100 square minus y square means 4 square. 100 square means, students, 100 square means 100 into 100. That will become 10,000. And 4 square means how much? 16. So 10,000 minus 16 will become 9984. Is it okay? So students, next let us come to number 3. Let us come to number 3. Number 1. 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. Okay, 9x square plus 6xy, students. The question is like this. 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. Okay, so we have to factorize. Okay, factorize the following using appropriate entities. We have to factorize this. So for factorizing, very easy. This is 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into y plus y square is equal to 3x plus y whole square. So 3x plus y into 3x plus y. Okay, students. So let us see this, students. So 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. You have to factorize this. Okay, you have to factorize using entities. Okay. So how I wrote this, you see, this line, how I wrote this line, just to observe. Okay, first 9x square is there. For 9x square I wrote 3x whole square. After that plus is there. Okay, for 9x square I wrote 3x whole square and plus at the end what is there, y square, so I wrote y square. Okay, okay students. So and in between, so what is the formula? Our formula is, students, our formula is x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Okay, okay students. So x square I have formed here 3x whole square and y square is y square only. So in middle what do we have? 2xy. In the middle we have 2xy. So just directly you will write 2xy like this. 2 into x means 3x into y. Okay, now you will see first x square is there. For 9x square, first I wrote, once again I will explain. Okay, so see how. So first I saw here 9x square is there. So therefore I wrote 3x whole square. Then at the end I saw y square is there. Then I wrote plus y square. Middle I kept the gap. Okay. Then in middle actually according to the formula x square plus y square. X square is here, y square is here. In middle what should be there? 2xy. So 2xy. 2 into what is the value of x, students? 3x. And what is the value of y? Y only. So x square plus 2xy plus y square. Okay, x square plus 2xy plus y square will become x plus y whole square. X square plus 2xy plus y square will become how much? X plus y whole square. So in the same way, 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into y plus y square will become 3x plus y whole square. Here complete 3x means x. This complete 3x means x and y means y only. Okay, same way I wrote here, you see, for 9x square I wrote 3x whole square, for y square I wrote y square, in middle I just wrote 2 into 3x into y. Matching or not, you see, 2 3s are 6, x into y, xy. Do you understand? So this is of the form x square plus 2xy plus y square, isn't it? X square plus 2xy plus y square. So this will be equal to x plus y whole square, isn't it? So 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into y plus y square will become 3x plus y whole square. So x square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to how much? X plus y whole square. Just reverse. This is equal to this. So this will be also equal to this only. Understood? So 3x plus y whole square. So 3x plus y into 3x plus y factorized. Okay. Some of you may keep till here also. That is also okay. But I prefer this way. 3x plus y into 3x plus y. Is it okay? One more, let us see. Let us see one more. X square minus y square by 100. So x square minus y by 10 whole square. So this will be x plus y by 10 into x minus y by 10. So x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. Okay students, so x square, for x square I will write x square only. For x square I will write x square only, and y square by 100 is there. Y square by 100 I will write y by 10 whole square, because y by 10 whole square will become, above y is there, it will become y square, and 10 square will become 100. Understood? So x square minus y square, x square minus y square we will write x plus y into x minus y. So x square minus y by 10 whole square will become x plus y by 10 into x minus y by 10, isn't it? X plus y by 10, students, x square minus y by 10 whole square. So x square minus y square will become x plus y by 10 into x minus y by 10. Is it okay?